Hey everybody, how's it going? So today I got a quick video, picked up some Razorback yard tools, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. I got them from Home Depot. Thank you guys for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so I picked up these Razorback tools from Home Depot. Come to find out, I was looking for these shovels in particular. I needed one for concrete and the second one for just using it for dirt. I have this shovel in the sharp spade style. I just never got around to getting the Razorback flat shovels. Then come to find out, when I went looking for them at my normal Home Depot, he's like, yeah, we're getting rid of the Razorback stuff. And I'm like, really? It's like the only ones I buy. And he's like, yeah, it's the most popular thing, the most popular brand in yard tools that we sell, and they're replacing them with Husky for whatever reason, you know. So I'm like searching. I went to 15 different Home Depots looking for just these two shovels because I wanted a matching set from Razorback. So I have my, spade pointed style shovel and then this flat one. And I also picked up the tamper and the rake, the regular metal rake. That I did on a previous video. I also picked up the tamper, all steel tamper by Razorback. Haven't even opened it yet. So I wanted to do a quick video, let you guys know they're not carrying them anymore. So if you guys do pick any of these things up, get them while you can. I noticed 90% of the stores I went to, they have a crap ton of the metal fanned rakes, and they have a crap ton of the aluminum 36 or 34 or 38 inch aluminum rake with the gravel leveler lip on the other side. They have a lot of those. I might be picking up another one of those just to have two of. I do have that one as well already. I'm also thinking about grabbing the pulse tool digger just to have it. But I figured I'd show you guys a sneak peek of the triple hammer coming up on the channel as well. This one is the 18 volt. I will be getting the 36 volt triple hammer soon. It's a good tool. I like it. Also, I have these 36 volt and 18 volt batteries for my table saw and everything else. I'm going to be getting some more of the multi-volt Metabo HPT stuff. But I did want to, just give you guys a heads up. This is a little haul. So now I have two shovels. And what I'm thinking on doing, because I don't necessarily, since you're probably not going to be able to find these anymore. I do know online, on Home Depot's website, they do carry like 100-something Razorback tools. And they have all kinds of varieties. We have all kinds of different size rakes and everything. I don't know if Home Depot's only going to sell them online or if they're completely getting rid of them. I don't know. But I am going to be probably ordering several other more items. But I think instead of destroying one of these for concrete, I think I'm just going to buy one of the Husky ones that they came out, that they're coming out with. I know the Home Depot in Phoenix, for me, they do not have any of the Razorback stuff at all, but they do have the new Husky, and you can get one of these flat shovels as well as a pointed shovel with a black fiberglass handle and the a red hand grip up here. They look the same. It's just the difference is this white lettering right here says Husky. That's the only difference. But these are $29 for this particular shovel. The Huskies are $18. So I think I might pick up a couple of the 18 Huskies just for concrete work. And, have these as, my wife and I could be using the same shovel at the same time. I do have a flat style shovel just like this made by Rigid Tool Company, which is owned by Emerson. I've had that one for, I don't know, 15 years. Never had any issues with it. These are the new Power Edge by Razorback. Penetrates material 2 times easier. Lifetime warranty. Professional transfer shovel. Made in the USA. All of these Razorback items are made in the USA. That's another thing. So I'll put it made in the USA haul on the video. Just quick video. Sneak peek of something else coming to the channel. Dewalt Flex Volt 17-inch. Attachment capable. Dewalt trimmer kit. Got this at Home Depot. There isn't any attachments at Home Depot yet, but I did pick this up from Home Depot. So, another thing coming to the channel. I will be picking up all the attachments later down the road, but just wanted to show you guys just a quick video. Do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, checking out the video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Top of the description below, I also have an Husky Tools link. If you guys click on that link, it'll get you 10% off your order at HuskyTools.com, as well as it kicks me back 10% off my next order. So if you do use it, it does save me money on bringing tools to the channel for you guys. If you don't need it, no big deal. If you do use it, I do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. Peace!